The markets are tough. Everybody's working a small account. So let me share with you how you're going to make some free money. That's right, you heard me correctly. I said free money. No risk, 40% return, not asking for a lot of money. It's $100 and it's not coming to me. So you're asking how? I'm going to share it with you. Here's the secret. It's called Moomoo. It's a trading app. It's a lot like Robinhood or Webull or Public, but it's better. Now, how are we going to get that money? Use our link below. You're going to open up a new account. You're going to fund it with $100, right? Small account. That's what we're all working with. The markets are crazy. You're going to do so by December 20th. That's a couple more weeks to go. You're good. You're going to receive 5 free stocks and a $10 coupon, all for a $100 initial deposit. That's it. So let's do the math, you and I'll explain how you're going to get that 40% return. No risk. You don't even have to make an investment. You deposited $100. You did so by December 20, so you get a $10 coupon. Now you're up to $110. You get 5 free stocks. Some of my friends got Coin, Apple. Me, not so lucky. I got 3 shares of BlackBerry, value $15. I got 1 share of DraftKings, value $17. I got 1 share of Fuel Cell, value $4. Let's do the math together. 100, 110, 125, 142, 146. My initial investment has yielded $146. I haven't had to make 1 trade. That's a 46% profit. What does it say to me? Free money. What else? No brainer. So again, Moomoo, use our link below. You need to use our link to get the free $10 coupon by December 20th. You're going to open a new account, fund it with $100. You don't have to trade. That's the great thing. So with the markets being as crazy as they are, you say, I'm going to wait till next year. That's a New Year's resolution. I'm going to wait till 2023. Great, perfect timing. Put in $100 by 12/20 and receive 5 free stocks, $10 coupon, which will amount to $140 by the time you're ready to start trading.